cover left side and see if they come. Because if they're coming to 6-2, you know, we gotta have.
Am I recording?
The cooler. I haven't even emptied the cooler yet. It's on my back porch.
Game starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go!
Yeah, they're pushing up. They're pushing up. They're all moving up. Josh, trailer 9.
They're in 9!
They're in 9!
Hit!
Where?
Finger. Yeah, get back out here.
I'm hit. 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 Fuck.
Hit! Oh, you guys hit. Where's our respawn?
Yo, suppress 9.
I'm hit! God damn it!
9. Oh, nice kill.
No? Where's the respawn at? Back there?
Green. Left forward.
Shit, watch out. See, it stops shooting. Hey! Fuck.
You guys should just go back.
Dead man walking out! Back to the bottom. We're dead.
You're gonna shoot you.
Please start walking back.
Yeah, just wait for Elo.
Got him.
There's Eli's back. 30 more seconds. Eli's coming. Oh! Shit!
Get over here.
Oh! What is that?
Oh, okay.
Hit!
Okay, don't go move. Don't go near that window. Get down. Get down.
Yeah, we're good.
Follow me. I'm gonna go in. Use this skill. 3, 2, 1, go.
There's a guy in 8.
Pinning down 9.
Sorry, man.
Where they at?
I have no idea. Hit! I can't see him.
In the trailer.
Oh my god, you need wrong. Start walking back. Cover me, I'm gonna run the trailer, whatever that one is. Got me covered?
Yeah, go.
Dude, I must have over there, eh?
I'm trying to move.
He's in there.
Dude, don't. Oh, wait.
Did somebody jump in there and drag him back here or something?
Fuck.
There's a guy in our trailer.
Great! Great!
Watch this window. There's somebody in the
Alright, so you guys press me. I'm gonna move over. Down. Press me.
I have no idea where. Shit, 9.
Cut the right here.
Pop up and get him.
There's a medic right here, so. That's a gummy gun, I guess. Throw it up in there. Just throw it anyway.
Did you pull it? It's smoke.
guy in there. He's dead. It's a medic. He's dead.
Hey, you guys have anybody inside 6?
Yeah, we've got.
We go.
He's dead. He's dead.
They're all
he's
dead, though.
He's dead.
Yo, dude, there's guys in 9. You gotta pin down these guys in 9.
Yeah, we got a bunch of
Watch the window.
Someone get in there and someone get up and cover that window.
Oh, you hit?
Hit!
No, he's not in there.
Not in there.
Oh, we got 3 minutes left.
Three of them just came out of 6. They're getting 6.
Watch window. Watch 9. Watch 9.
It's too hot.
Yo, guys, suppress 9. I gotta move over.
There's some guy just walked in 9. He's in cover.
Oh shit, yo, they're in 3. We gotta get him.
Is that him right there? Is that one right there?
No, that's thunder.
People walking in 6. Oh, sorry. Friendly's in 9. Friendly's in 9. Friendly's in
9.
Wait.
Eli, am I clear? Am I clear? Yeah. Grab my gun. I didn't want to disconnect it. Watch 3, watch 3. 3. Eli, 3.
Yeah, I know.
Stay clear of this
Josh, where are
doorway.
you at? Josh, where are you at? There you go.
I'll cover you. Go. Go. Josh, me and Eli are in 6. Adam, you want to get in? The fuck?
Oh, okay.
Adam, cover. I need to get over there. Adam, watch 3, right? Adam.
Eli, is that you?
Adam, watch 3 down here.
I can't because people waiting that trail right there.
Guys, watch 3.
Tom, watch 5 too.
Hit!
Watch out, kid, watch out. Get down. You're gonna get shot up.
Stay friendly coming in next time. Adam, drag down over to me. Adam, over to me.
I will.
Adam, over to me.
I know.
Over to me. Just run over me.
Fuck. Thank you. You're caught on me. Alright, you're good. Thanks, Adam.
Where from?
Adam, watch down low.
Down.
What?
Down. Watch 5.
Yo, friendlies, dude. Chill.
Down, watch 5.
We got friendlies in 9. Moving.
Fuck. Yo, 3, Josh, don't peek that window. 3.
First? Oh, Eli. Yo, they're all moving low. Oh, shit. Get down.
We got guys moving in the 10.
Josh, are there friendlies in 10?
Friendlies in 10.
That player.
Josh, watch that window. Josh.
Need a medic.
Where's our medic? Do we have a medic?
We have one.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Get the medic. We have a medic right
Aren't
here.
you a medic?
No,
He's dead. We need a fucking medic.
Medic!
Go get one. Go find one.
No, right? Come on.
Tom, we're going back to 6.
All right, I'm gonna grab this. Nice kill.
Tom.
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm gonna move this corner, Eli. See if I can get an angle. Eli, you good?
chill.
Yo, we got guys in 10. Friendlies in 10.
Friendly's in 10. Watch your damn fire.
Why are you shooting at me then?
We got guys. If you're gonna shoot somewhere, shoot that way at 3.
I didn't shoot at all.
Shoot 3. We're getting fucked by 3. You gotta get down. Get low. Get on the ground.
Fuck.
Watch yourself.
Yo, friendlies in 6. Friendly. Friendly.
Trailer 1. Yo, you're gonna get hit from the back. You're coming in from the...
You good?
Yeah, right here. We got 2 guys down there. You're gonna get guys...
Have we gotten any of the flags yet?
You wanna go? I don't think we can. Yeah, from here. We're good. We know! Trailer 3. Moving.
Eli, you got a guy right here who needs to be medic.
Where?
Right here.
Yes.
Right here.
Josh. Yeah. The building. There's 1 kid in there. I see him. Peeking. Hey! Fuck. Trailer 10! Fuck this, I'm going over.
Yo, where's the medics? Oh shit, they're pushing. Shit. Eli! Hey, we need a medic! Hey, friendly!
Medic!
We got any medics?
I'm gonna go back to respawn and back over.
I can probably...
We're taking heavy fire from trailer.
I know, we are too. Do you guys have any medics or medics down?
Hey! What team are you?
Dude, trailer 10 is friendly.
Why the fuck are they shooting at us?
Guys, 6 is friendly. Do not shoot at this trailer.
I know they're shooting at us! I literally... Oh my god.
Yo, we got...
You're right there. Why were you shooting at us?
Got him. Yo, I got you. Yo, medic, stay there. Sorry.
We're gonna go around. We're gonna climb down this way. We're climbing around this way. We need no.
Guys, get in 6. Get in 6. You 2 guys, get in 6.
Hey, get in 6.
6 is clear. Get in 6.
In front of trailer 10. We're going to get the flags. Guys, we're going to get the flags. Come on.
Hey, trailer 10 is clear. Trailer 10 is clear. We got blue in there.
Everyone check their mags.
We're shooting at guys in the...
6. 3 guys, just literally stand me down. This guy right here.
Yo, dude, just run.
This trailer's clear.
Yo, guys, this guy's getting the flag up.
Tom, let's go get 3.
Good stuff, Dave. Good stuff.
Tom, stay down.
Got him. They're down.
Back out. Get both of them?
Yeah.
Ready?
Hey, good job, guys.
Thanks, man.
Tom.
Yo,
You ready?
what do you need?
Josh! We're going to get 3. You ready?
Is it too hot?
No.
You want me to get left side?
Come on, ready?
Guys, suppress 3. Josh! Suppress 3.
Ready?
Guys, everyone cover 3. We're gonna... Grenade! Move in!
I got him.
Dead man!
Sorry. Drag out, babe. My bad.
friendly's in 3. Friendly's in 3. Friendly.
Down, 5's hot. Down, 5 is hot.
Nice shot. What other flags we need to get?
Doorway. Game over. Game over!
Nice job, guys. Way to get up here.